crafters, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make something easy that you can make only in 5 minutes. Kaftan dress. The pattern is so easy, it's just like this. For the neckline, you can use straight line shape or curve. I'm just gonna do the straight line because it's easier. The pattern is done, let's trace it to any kind of fabric. Just make sure it's easy to work with. I'm making the first 2 kaftans, the solid color and the one with pattern. Just make sure the pattern is right in the middle. Now, we need to cut the neckline into a little bit bigger. So we're gonna fold it like this using hot glue. Do the same to the entire edges of the fabric. So, of course, if you'd like to stitch it, it's gotta be better. Using a sewing machine will be best. But using hot glue always be the easiest and the fastest way. So, just pick your own way. Here's the result. Next, we need to fit the Barbie head to the neckline. And unfortunately, it turns out it doesn't fit. It's too small. That's okay, let's just fix it. It's always better to make it smaller than bigger at the first time, because if it's smaller, you can always fix it. But if it's bigger, you can never fix it. You have to redo it from the very first step. So that's why it's very important to watch my video from the beginning to the very end, because sometimes I spill a little secret in the middle of the video, like this one. There we go. It's fixed and fits. So it's gonna be like this later, but we're gonna need to do something about it first. And it's a good thing I didn't finish this one, so I know I need to cut it more. Now let's decorate the dress. You can use any design you like with anything you have at home. I'm gonna use some beads in gold and shimmering colors. Or you can also use this lovely decorating plate. I'm so lucky to found it. It's so soft so I can bend it. If you're happy with your design, put them all together using hot glue. And here's the result. I'm so happy with it. And I'm gonna show you how to put the dress all together. You will need a small rubber band and just a small piece of gold paper as the belt. Now let's put the gold belt on. So since it's just a piece of paper, it is a one-time use belt. It's just a cheap thing, so it doesn't matter. You can always rip it and make it again. how do you like it? For this second look, I try to make it simple and casual. And for the third look, I try to make it into an icy color. I did nothing to the dress, I just add a little Barbie necklace like this. It's so easy to attach. Look, I'm using a patterned fabric and I always try to make it symmetrical. And I fold the dress differently. I fold it to the back first and then to the front, and it's becoming a layered skirt. And instead of gold paper, I'm using Barbie black belt. For this style, I'm using 2 layers of fabric. As the outer, I'm using lace fabric, and I just cut it like this. I also use lace fabric for this one, and I combine it with layered skirt style. Thanks for watching, I hope you like it and see you in my other video. Bye!